Hello everyone, today we will be providing you with all the information about the popular game called Tank Stars. This game was officially launched on January 26, 2018, at 8:03 p.m. It was developed and published by Playgendary. I personally had the opportunity to play this game and I must say that I thoroughly enjoyed it. It is a game that can be played for hours on end without getting bored. The gameplay is incredibly captivating and engaging. The graphics of the game are presented in a 2D format, which adds to its charm and uniqueness. Whether you choose to play it offline or online on your mobile device, you can expect a seamless experience without any lag. Tank Stars has received great reviews from players all around the world. In the App Store, it has an impressive rating of 4.4 out of 5 stars, while on Adnoride it has an even higher rating of 4.6 out of 5 stars. These ratings are a testament to the game's popularity and quality. In conclusion, Tank Stars is an exciting game that offers endless fun and entertainment. With its immersive gameplay, stunning 2D graphics, and seamless performance, it has become a favorite among gamers of all ages. Whether you're playing it offline or online, you're bound to have a great time exploring the world of Tank Stars.